The Vandy Vape NS Pen has arrived at VapeWild. Vandy Vape is changing the Nic Salt game with this sleek and smooth Nic Salt pen for your enjoyment. Let's review this rad thing. Shaped like the obvious pen style, it is rather thin, 14 millimeters in diameter. The best thing, however, about this pen is what I personally loved they included: the magnetic top cap to cover your drip tip. It keeps the dust and gunk that can collect in there from the Earth's hemisphere out of there. You get a fresh and smooth Nic Salt pull with every draw. If you're afraid you would lose it, quickly let it magnetize to the bottom. What? Yeah, that's the real perk, dude. It will come in the box with two coils. The stainless steel 316 coil rated at 1.2 ohms, that is as good as they come. Another coil that steals the show and will be here soon is the ceramic coil. Now, this one holds the Nic Salts really well, which can be kind of a downer if you'd like to change Nic Salts every empty tank. It's not really that big deal for me, but it is really the only thing I could see some of you not liking too much. This tank is attached apart from, oh yeah, apart from the top piece that screws off to change the coil out. It has two liquid fill ports up top, which look small but allows your Nic Salts to flow in even if you have a glass dropper. Are those still around? Yeah, they are? What? Why? Find your Vandy Vape NS Pen at VapeWild today!
I wanted to sing Fergalicious in front of the camera. Every time I meet her, I'm like, listen up, y'all. Because
it looked like you were about to do the crab, like, Fergalicious.
Fergalicious. I was singing it earlier too. It just like comes in my head. I'm like, yeah. Like that song gets me hyped up to record. That's the only dance move I really.
And your shoe sound.
Yeah.